Hey everybody, Aaron Blaise here, and I'm really excited to announce that we're going to be doing another live virtual workshop. This is a painting I just did yesterday. As you guys know, I love painting animals, I love drawing animals, and I love painting in watercolor. So I thought, why not throw them all together? And I'm going to spend a day doing an animal portrait in watercolor on March 20th on Saturday, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to take you through my entire process, the way I build up the paints in watercolor. I'm going to give you a supply list. We're also going to provide you the photo reference to work from as well. So it's going to be a really fun day. Once again, it's me taking you through my process as I paint a portrait of a wild animal in watercolor, just like this leopard. So once again, that'll be March 20th, Saturday. I can't wait to see you there. Go out, put some beauty back in the world, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks.